Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about PYPL stock and key levels to watch January 29, 2026. In previous trading session, the stock formed a bearish candle. So the first key support level is now the stock trading below its support level. So the key support level is $53.43. If the price goes below $53.43, it could test $50.31. The key resistance level is $55.08. If the price breaks below $55.08, it could test $58. That's my view on PYPL stock. Please for more of this is for purposes, not